What's going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. By the way, my name is Kajimbro Vlog. So I am a beginner at working out at the gym and I am teaching some workout tutorials. So if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So our exercise for today is biceps superset exercises that you can try in the gym as a beginner. So in our first exercise, mga Kajimbro, what we're gonna do, since this is a superset exercise for our biceps, we're gonna do a single arm bicep curls follow up by a two-arm bicep curls. So this is on a standing position, but you can also do this on a seated position. So it's all up to you, but I prefer the standing position. So that's the basic form: stand straight and chest out. And as you can see, what I'm doing here is I put the dumbbells on my side and I'm kind of twisting them a little bit so that I can also hit my forearm. So for this exercise, mga Kajimbro, the target muscle will be the long head of our bicep, or the one that emphasizes the bicep when you flex your, of course, your biceps. So when you do this, mga Kajimbro, make sure that you isolate properly, or make sure you feel the negatives slowly but surely, mga Kajimbro. Do not rush in and make sure that you are hitting the bicep properly. And again, this is 10 to 12 repetitions. It's all up to you. You can do 8 if you're just a beginner, and you can do a much lighter weight, mga Kajimbro. And the good thing about supersets, mga Kajimbro, yung biceps, sa mga nagmamadali, mga Kajimbro, yung walang oras, is natatapos ka kaagad, of course. Kasi tulad ko na lagi nagmamadali, and ayoko talaga yung wino-workout yung bicep. Nakakapagod to, mga Kajimbro. Ito yung pinaka-ayaw ko na wino-workout sa lahat ng muscle natin sa katawan natin. Pero dahil kailangan is pagtutuunan natin siya ng pansin, mga Kajimbro. So yun na, mga Kajimbro, our next exercise will be a hammer curls. Now since this is a superset, mga Kajimbro, we're gonna do a single arm alternate hammer curls followed by a two-arm hammer curls, mga Kajimbro. So yung targeted muscle nito, mga Kajimbro, is yung brachialis muscle natin, o yung muscle underneath our short head and long head muscle that gives flexor to our elbow, mga Kajimbro. So for this one, mga Kajimbro, same routine lang siya nung hammer curls natin. That will be 10 to 12 repetition, mga Kajimbro, and make sure you isolate it properly. Feel the negative slowly but surely. And again, huwag tayo nagmamadali dito, mga Kajimbro. And this is a good and effective way also, mga Kajimbro, para matarget yung forearm natin, mga Kajimbro. And again, I'm doing this on a standing position. Again, you can also do this while seated position, pero mas prefer ko yung standing position, mga Kajimbro, kasi mas napifeel ko yung biceps natin, mga Kajimbro, na nag-workout, mga Kajimbro. So moving on, mga Kajimbro, our next exercise will be a seated two-arm hammer curls, mga Kajimbro. And as you can see, again, what I am doing is I am twisting it a little bit so that I can hit also my forearm. Yung nasa side yung dumbbells, mga Kajimbro. So if you can see na tinitwist ko siya ng kakaunti, mga Kajimbro, para tamaan din yung forearms natin. Again, same routine for this one, 10 to 12 repetition to, mga Kajimbro. And again, make sure you isolate properly, slowly but surely, mga Kajimbro, pakaramdaman mo mabuti yung bicep mo na tinatamaan, mga Kajimbro. So for this one, since this is a seated position, mga Kajimbro, make sure yung bench nyo, mga Kajimbro, is nakaslant siya ng konti backwards, and dapat nakaupo ako dito ng backwards. Ewan ko ba batiw mali yung form dito, mga Kajimbro. Medyo nakaupo ka ng backwards para talagang natatamaan yung bicep mo dito, mga Kajimbro. Again, chest out, mga Kajimbro, 10 to 12 repetition. Pero kung gagawin nyo ito sa bahay, okay din naman na sa ordinary chair din naman, mga Kajimbro. Medyo i-position nyo lang yung katawan nyo na medyo nakaslant ng backward, okay? Para talagang tamaan yung bicep natin, mga Kajimbro. Again, make sure na tinitwist nyo pababa, mga Kajimbro, yung dumbbells natin para tamaan din yung forearm. So moving on, mga Kajimbro, since this is a superset exercise, mga Kajimbro, pagkatapos nung exercise natin yung seated hammer curls, mga Kajimbro, follow up kagad, mga Kajimbro, ng concentration curls, mga Kajimbro. Mga 30 seconds or 1 minute lang yung rest natin siguro, mga Kajimbro, para talagang maramdaman na natin yung biceps natin, mga Kajimbro. So yun, mga Kajimbro, yung exercise natin, mga Kajimbro. Same routine for this one, 10 to 12 repetition, alternate arm, mga Kajimbro. And again, di nyo makailangan ni full extend, okay? Mas maganda yung tamang-tama lang din, okay? So mga Kajimbro, yung exercise natin for our bicep. If you like this, mga Kajimbro, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe ka na rin, mga Kajimbro, if nagustuhan mo itong video na to. If may mga gusto ko yung tips na pwedeng suggest, comment down below. God bless you all, and peace.